Are you ready to transform your skincare routine without emptying your wallet? Well, you're in for a treat. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always dropping by. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Tap the subscribe button down below so that you can get subscribed for more skincare tips. And don't forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. Today's video is an absolute game changer. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all the affordable skincare products for beginners and how you can achieve glowing skin on a budget. So if you're looking to start your skincare routine and you're confused on where to start from, or you're just looking for affordable skincare products to use without breaking the bank, then you definitely need to watch this video to the end, because I'll not only be showing you affordable skincare products that will glow your skin. All the products I'm going to be showing you guys in this video are all affordable, effective, and suitable for all skin types and complexion. So if you're fair skin, dark skin, chocolate or caramel skin tone, you can use them. So let's dive right into it. Now, if you're one of those people that think because a product is expensive will make it to be effective, then you need to scrap that. Because if you have ever spent $100 or 50,000 naira to buy a body lotion and it ends up doing nothing for your skin, then you would definitely understand that expensive does not mean a product is actually going to be effective. In fact, there are many cheap and affordable skincare products that work wonders more than the expensive ones. So you don't have to empty your wallet or bank account to achieve a fabulous glowing skin. Now, with that said, the first must-have or affordable skincare product for beginners that want to achieve a glowing skin is bathing sponge. Personally, I love using this exfoliating hand gloves. If you're starting out your skincare routine, you definitely need this exfoliating hand gloves. This is one must-have skincare product. So with just 400 naira, you can actually get this exfoliating hand gloves. Or if you're not a fan of using hand gloves, you can get the normal bathing sponge, which retails at the price of 500 naira. Or better still, you can get the loafer, which also retails at the price of 300 naira or 250, depending on where you're getting it from. So the essence of using this bathing sponge or exfoliating gloves in your skincare routine is to enable create a rich lather while you are taking your bath. Because if you're one of those that use your hands or only soap to shower, then you understand that your hand alone cannot get the job done. Like, these exfoliating hand gloves are very necessary. They are going to give you a proper cleanse and at the same time help exfoliate and slough off the dead skin cells on your skin. So try as much as possible to always change your bathing sponge at least once a month or once in 2 months to avoid the growth of bacteria. Now, the next or second affordable skincare product you're going to need as a beginner is a bathing soap. When I talk about bathing soaps, I'm talking of soaps that you can use to wash your body while in the shower. And some of my favorite and affordable bathing soaps for beginners is this Lux Beauty Bar. This is it right here. This is actually one of my favorite soap for beginners. I love the fact that this bar soaps contains ingredients like jasmine and silk essence oil. So this is a very nice soap that is going to help cleanse your skin, get rid of the dead oils on your body without stripping your skin of its natural moisture. So this is a very great soap and it retails at the price of 450 naira. So this is a great soap that you can get if you're starting out your skincare routine. I also love this Hawaii soap, which retails at the price of 500 or 700 naira. It's also a great soap and it comes in 3 different variants that will help to cleanse your skin and give you that glow. The Dove Beauty Bar soap is another great body soap for beginners. All those soaps can be used on both your face and your body. So if you're not really a fan of using bar soaps, then you definitely need to opt in for a body wash. And some of my favorite and affordable body wash that will help to cleanse and glow your skin is this palm olive milk and honey body wash. This retails at the price of 1,200 naira depending on where you're getting it from. I also love and enjoy using this Dove body wash. There are different variants when it comes to Dove body wash, and they're all great and very moisturizing on the skin. And the big container actually retails at the price range of 3,500 depending on where you're getting it from, while the small ones retails at the price of 2,000 naira. So these are affordable and great body wash that will help to cleanse and give you that glowy skin. The Scent Ice body wash is also a great place to start. So these are affordable body washes that you can use if you're on a budget and you're looking to achieve a glowing skin. They are going to give you that soft, smooth, beautiful, healthy looking skin while cleansing and getting rid of the dirt on your body. In as much as these soaps and body wash can be used on both your face and your body, you don't want to use your body soaps on your face. I personally advise you get a face soap or cleanser. And some of my favorite and affordable face soaps and cleanser that you can use to achieve that glowing skin is this jam rice milk soap. It actually retails at the cost of 1,000 naira to 2,500 naira depending on where you're getting it from. It's an affordable soap that will give you that smooth, beautiful looking face. I also love using the tea tree foaming face wash. This is a great cleanser that you can use if you're starting out your skincare routine. It retails at the price of 1,300 naira depending on where you're getting it from. It's suitable for all skin types and complexion. So if you're getting this tea tree foaming face wash, you want to be careful because there are lots of fake in the market. So I would advise you get it from a trusted store. Now, another affordable cleanser that I love is this face fat ceramide cleanser, simple face cleanser. If you're still not yet satisfied with all those face cleansers, or maybe you cannot get them in your location, I have a dedicated video on the best and affordable face soaps and cleansers that you can use on your face. So I'm going to link the video up here and also in the description box so that you can check it out when you're done with this. Now, the next or third affordable skincare product you will be needing as a beginner is a body scrub. And I love the Scarebuild Spa Lightning Salt Scrub. It retails at the price of 2,000 naira depending on where you're getting it from. It's a great scrub that is going to get rid of the dead skin cells on your skin and give you a smooth skin. Like, the secret to achieving that beautiful glowing skin is by exfoliating your skin. See, if you're going to be skipping getting any product in this routine, I would definitely advise you don't skip getting a body scrub because it's going to give you that beautiful glowing skin. Like, exfoliating your skin is one way that you can achieve that glowing skin. Another affordable body scrub that I love is this Full Spa Salt Scrub. This is also a very nice and affordable scrub. The price ranges from 1,200 naira to 2,000 naira depending on where you're getting it from. And it's very nice. It's going to give you an instant soft, smooth feel on your skin. You can also get the Yogurt Spa Salt Scrub. This is also very much affordable. It retails at the cost of 950 naira and is going to help exfoliate your skin and give you that beautiful glowing skin. So if you're a beginner or you're looking for affordable skincare products that will glow your skin without having to break the bank, these are great places that you can start and you're definitely going to love and enjoy using them. Now, the next or fourth affordable skincare product for beginners is a toner. See, toners are meant to be used on your face, and gone are the days when people say toner is not a necessity when it comes to skincare. If you really want to balance the pH level of your skin, minimize your hyperpigmentation, dark spots, you definitely need hydrating toners in your skincare routine. And some of my favorites and affordable face toners that I love is this rose water toner. This retails at the cost of 1,500 naira and is going to help balance your pH level and give you a glowing face. Another face toner that I love is this Desire Vitamin C Brightening Toner. This also retails at the price of 2,000 naira or 1,500 naira depending on where you're getting it from. I also love this glycerin rose water toner. It's also very good and it's going to help give you a glowing skin. So if you have few money to splurge, I'll definitely advise you to get the simple toner or the Garnier rose water toner, or you can even opt in for the Sri and Neem rose water toner. Toners are great and they are going to help hydrate your skin, brighten your skin, and give you that plump, healthy looking skin. Now, another skincare product you will need as a beginner is a serum, and I'll definitely recommend you add an antioxidant in your face care routine. And some of my favorite antioxidants to add in your skincare routine as a beginner is a vitamin C serum, and I love this Russian vitamin C serum. This retails at the cost of 2,000 naira. If you really want to brighten and glow your face, I'll definitely recommend you use a vitamin C serum in your skincare routine. Like, it's going to help brighten and glow your face. I also enjoy using Perme vitamin C serum, or you can get the Caesar vitamin C serum. This is also great for beginners and it's going to help give you that beautiful glowing skin. Now, the next affordable skincare product for beginners that want to achieve a glowing skin is a face cream. And some of my favorite and affordable face cream that I'll recommend you use is this Nivea soft cream, which retails at the price of 1,200 naira. You can also get this Beauty Formulas face moisturizer. It retails at the cost of 2,500 naira. Or you can get the Face Fat Ceramide face cream. This also serves as a great face moisturizer. Or you can get the Simple Face Moisturizing Cream, which also retails at the price of 2,500 naira or 3,000 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. So all these are cheap and affordable face creams for beginners that you can get on a budget to achieve a glowing face. Now, the sixth or seventh product you will need as a beginner in your skincare routine is a body lotion. See, there are lots of great body lotions and moisturizers that will take your skin from a 0 to 100. And some of my favorite body lotions for a beginner is this Nivea Perfect and Radiant body lotion. This is actually one of my favorite body lotions for beginners. Like, this is so moisturizing on the skin and it's going to give you that soft, smooth, glowing skin. And I also love and enjoy using the Nivea Radiant and Beauty Even Glow body lotion. This is another of my favorites and amazing body lotion for people who are on a budget. This is one body lotion that will help to even out your skin tone from your head down to your toe. It retails at the price of 3,000 naira plus, depending on where you're getting it from, while the Nivea Perfect and Radiant body lotion retails at the cost of 2,500 naira. So you can get any of those body lotions, or you can get the Dove Glowing Care body lotion. It's also great for all skin types and is going to help moisturize and give you that beautiful glowing skin. So if you still cannot afford to get any of these body lotions, the Nivea soft cream is a great place to start. It's not going to darken your skin. I also love the Scent Ice body lotion and it retails at the price of 3,000 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. So now, moving on, the next product you will need in your affordable skincare routine for beginners is a body oil. See, if you're starting out your skincare routine, body oil is one of the must-have skincare products I would definitely advise you get. And the reason is because it's going to help even out your complexion and give you that beautiful glowing skin. Like, if you want your skin to look blended, smooth, healthy, and glowing, then you definitely need to have a body oil in your skincare routine. And some of my favorite and affordable body oil for beginners is this PS Baby oil, or you can get the Diesel Vitamin C body oil or the Russian Almond oil. These are great body oils that will help to give you that beautiful glowing skin. I also love and enjoy using coconut oil. This body oils retails at the price of 1,200 naira, while the PS Baby oil retails at the cost of 900 and something naira, and know where you're getting it from. So they are all cheap and affordable body oil that you can get. So if you want a glowing skin, definitely add a body oil in your skincare routine and thank me later. Now, the final or last affordable skincare product for beginners is a sunscreen. Sunscreens are a must-have if you want to maintain a beautiful glowing skin. So the best affordable sunscreens that I've picked for beginners or people who are on a budget is this Biore UV Watery Essence sunscreen, which retails at the cost of 3,000 naira depending on where you're getting it from. I also love this Dr. Rachel sunscreen. These sunscreens do not leave a white cast on your skin, and this actually retails at the price of 3,000 naira depending on where you're getting it from. So another effective and affordable sunscreen that I'll recommend you use as a beginner or if you're on a budget is this Sterling sunscreen. If you're starting out your skincare routine, I'll definitely recommend you get or add a sunscreen in your skincare routine because it's going to help prevent the sun from damaging your skin and save you from all the sunburn, dark spots, and hyperpigmentation that you get to see on other people. Now, all these are amazing and affordable skincare products that you can use to start out your skincare routine. So the whole essence of using an affordable skincare product in your skincare routine is for you to be able to maintain and stay consistent with them. So regardless of any skincare product you're using, make sure you can be able to always afford them at all times and be consistent with them. Do not buy one product today and jump to another product tomorrow. Try and be consistent with your skincare routine if you really want to achieve that glowing skin. So that is simply it on affordable skincare products for beginners and how you can achieve a glowing skin on a budget. I hope this video was helpful. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.